I tested 5 portable monitors. Most of them have very generic design with the same menu setting, with the only exception being the Viewsonic. None of the monitor is VESA compatible, so it's impossible to mount them. Personally, I like the Viewsonic design the best. Portable monitors can be used with any device that has an HDMI output, like gaming consoles, Fire TV, Apple TV. They also work with display ports in the form of Type-C, so it is possible to use one single cable to provide power and signal for my MacBook. Pairing the monitor with the Samsung DeX dock and a keyboard and a mouse to get a desktop-like experience. Now let's get started to test the 5 portable monitors. This video was recorded by a Sony a7S Mark III. I guess most people are more interested in the video quality, so I'll let you decide for yourself which one you prefer. I'm using a high quality cable for all my tests. The second Type-C port will supply power and signal to the portable monitor. Okay, powered on. Later, we can also conduct a power consumption test. This is a 1080p monitor. The built-in speakers, they produce sound, and that's it. I certainly don't recommend watching a movie with these built-in speakers unless these are your only option. It is possible to provide separate power to the monitor. I'm getting the 12.8 watts, which is a lot. Plugging another USB Type-C cable here to supply power. You also unplug it, but then it will draw power from the laptop and drain the battery.
high power consumption. Brightness is very high, of course. I actually like this one a lot. And now this no-name brand is the only 4K portable monitor I have. And let's play the video in 4K. Not sure if it makes any difference. Still, YouTube video heavily compressed. For what it's worth, let's do it.